All right, the last video for today, we're going to link two pages together. So we're going to link our index page to an about page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the link, which is an anchor tag. So I'll hit the A tab. And this is a locally accessed file, so it's local to GitHub. So all we have to do is just type the name of the file, which is going to be about.html, and then save that. Obviously, about.html does not exist over here. We only have index. So we're going to create about.html. So down in our terminal, we're going to touch about.html, and then we got it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything from my index.html, Control or Command A to select it all, and then Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac to copy it. And then I'm going to open up my my about.html page, and then Control or Command V to paste it in there, and then save that. So now I have two files. Now to make things obvious when they change, we need to change the title of our pages. So this is about here. So this should be about, let's say about us. Okay. And then over in index, we're going to call this home. Cool. So now the index page will load up the about page. The only problem is that once we're at about, there's no way to get back to index. So let's add another link to both of these for consistency. And we'll say index. Oh, we're also missing the link here. Let's put this one above. Missing the link text, so this should be home. And this should be about. And I can just select both of these, load up my about page, and just paste both right in there, home and about. Cool. So that's one of the great things about PHP is that we can include our navigation, only make a change once, and it automatically propagates out to whatever file loads that navigation in. The navigation is dynamically created. With HTML, we have to copy and paste, and all of these pages have to be normalized with the same navigation because we don't want our users to get lost and not be able to go back. So we are now going to add, let's do git add period, and we'll commit this with a message called added nav. Cool. And we'll push it up. All right. So now that everything's pushed up there, we should be able to reload this and see we have about and index here. And if we reload our page, there we got about and home. So if I click about, it should load my about page, which is empty still. There it is. About and home. You can see, oh, you can't see it, never mind. So we should probably change the title because my tabs are so tiny you can't see the title here. So maybe in our actual content, let's see, this is about us. Save that. And then this one's going to be, this is homepage. Actually, it's so it's capitalized. Alright, so both of those are saved. So I can go back and add everything. And I'll do a new commit. Updated H1s. I'll push it. Cool. Now, we don't have to keep pushing to GitHub in order to see the changes. Remember, we're in Cloud 9. All we have to do is click Run here, and we can see our files locally. So for testing, definitely stay within Cloud 9 as you're working through minor content changes. But once you're happy with the results and it's something that you want to push to the public, or you've got like an error that needs to be resolved real quickly, definitely push that one up. But we try to save our major pushes for when we're really happy with the way things look. And that's why a lot of times people will actually run their GH pages from a different branch instead of the master branch. As you guys get more comfortable with GitHub, you'll see what works for you. So let's go back. So in Canvas now there's an assignment for you to complete, and this should take us up to as far as we need to go for today. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.